In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily create a LinkedIn account. So first up, open up your browser and search for LinkedIn. Click on the LinkedIn website. Once you do that, you can easily click on the Join Now option right over here. And then it's going to ask for your email, so simply enter your email. Once you have entered your email, simply create a password. So once you have created your password, you can easily then click on the Agree and Join option. It's going to ask you to insert your name, so easily insert your name and then click on the Continue option. You can easily then select your location, and then if it's your correct location, simply click the Next option. And then it's going to ask you for your most recent job title, or if you're a student, simply select I'm a student, but if you want to enter job title, enter your job title. And then you can easily then select your employment type. Once you're done entering your most recent company, you can then easily click on the Continue option. It's then going to send a confirmation to your email, so simply open up Gmail. And then as you can see, here's the confirmation email that has been sent to my email address. So you can easily then copy it, go back to LinkedIn, and then you can simply paste it. And once you have pasted, it's going to automatically take you to this page. It's going to ask you a few questions. So simply answer these few questions. Then click on the next option. Then the next option again. You can then easily scroll down and click on the next option rather. And if you want to skip this option, you can simply select the Skip for Now option. Then click on the next option. If you don't want to follow these pages, you can just simply click on the next option. And there you have it. You have successfully created your LinkedIn account. And if I go over to my profile right over here, you can easily see that here's my profile. I can add a profile picture if I want to, but that's how I can simply create a LinkedIn account. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.